In this quick video guide, we're gonna talk about Photopea, which is an online photo editor. It's free, and it's a free alternative to Photoshop and similar software for photo editing, so to edit pictures and illustration, etc. There are other alternatives like Canva or Pixar and also others. And if you search for them in the channel, you will find other video courses and also a course in Photoshop if you're interested in something more professional. Now, Photopea is completely free. It means that it's available if you just click on the first link if you search on a web browser. And as you can see here from a first glance, looks like a splash screen where you can go here, you can do the premium account if you want, or you can see there is a free version that you can use with a little less features. And here on the left, we have some possibilities to upload content. So if you want to get it from Drive or Dropbox or your computer, your device, etc., etc. So you can select here an option and you can continue from here. Now on the top, yeah, you can use your device. And on the top, you have other menus that are pretty similar to the one that you see usually in Photoshop. So you can just move on the various menus. Now in this area that is empty right now, there's a little rectangle box, and that's where you can drag and drop any file. You can use PSD, AI files, XD, Figma, PDF, RAW from the camera, so non-compressed formats. And you'll find also these courses in the channel. And so RAW, you can get a RAW picture, or you can get like the most common files like PNG, JPEG, also vector graphics like SVG, so scalable vector graphics, and any other file that it's compatible with Photopea. Now, what I'm going to do is do a drag and drop, which is the easiest way you can start with Photopea. And so I open a window here with a little bit of pictures. Just let me choose one. I'm going to go for this. So all I need to do, and so I don't need to necessarily link my device. Well, I can start with a new project. I can open a project from the computer. I can use templates to start with some help. I can also install Photopea, as you can see. But again, all we're going to do now is just drag and drop the file in this splash screen area, so on the home page. So it's a quite simple operation, but usually we do videos for everyone, so I'm gonna take it nice and slow. So click and drag with the left mouse, drop it in that box, and it's gonna open up the document. So what we're now seeing is the actual Photopea interface, and we can now start working with this image and edit this image in this Photopea editor. Now I'm gonna expand this just a little bit to show you a little bit better. And well, there are some ads, but this is for the free version, of course, because well, they need to gain from something. But on the other hand, you can see here all this toolbar, all these tools and features that they are really close to what we find in Photoshop. So you can see also the format of this file up there is going to be PSD, which means Photoshop, which means you can use it in another computer with Photoshop, or you can send it to a person with Photoshop. Now on the left side, we have this vertical toolbar. We can select the various tools like cropping tools, selecting tools, and correction tools, etc., or colors or text. And on the top, we have an horizontal bar, which is the option bar, where we can define the options for that tool. And on the right side, we have panels. Panels can be used for layers, for text, for getting content, choosing colors, and creating swatches, etc., etc. Now, I'm not going to go more into deep with this. It's just going to be an introduction to this online version of Photopea. But when you're ready, essentially, you save it. So you edit your file. When you're finished, you go to save. You can save it as a PSD. You also have some extra options, PSD, PSB, and there you have some other option, save more, and then you can also export in many different formats, like as we said before, JPEG, PNG, SVG, etc., and also other options that you have there. So it's a really fast and simple application that you can use totally on the web. You don't need to download or install anything, and it's going to be really easy. And if you're interested, you can also check our Photoshop video course. It's basically the same, but also you can support us by joining the channel and write us, so we can perhaps create more video guides or an entire video course in Photopea. Otherwise, go check our other courses that are already in the channel. You can just subscribe to stay updated for more videos. And that's going to be it for this quick video guide. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.